Welcome everyone. Today I'll guide you through creating a simple Notes app in Android. This app is a beginner-friendly project that demonstrates core Android concepts such as user interfaces, database integration, and screen navigation. The app allows you to add notes by specifying a title and description, save them, and view all saved notes in a list. This project is a great way to learn practical Android deployment. So let's start. First of all, let's something about Android deployment. Android is the world's most widely used mobile operating system, powering billions of devices. Developers write Android apps using Java, the traditional language, or Kotlin, which is now the official recommended language by Google due to its simplicity and modern features. Android Studio is the official integrated deployment environment, also known as IDE for short, for creating apps. It includes tools for designing interfaces, writing code, and testing apps on virtual emulators or real Android devices. The virtual emulators here do need a lot of computer power, so if you are doing this on low-end or middle-end devices like mine, the emulator may not function or properly or function really slow. So keep that in mind. Testing on an emulator allows quick iterations without a physical device, while testing on a real device ensures the app behaves correctly on actual hardware. To start developing, download Android Studio from the official Android developer website. During installation, the setup wizard will guide you to install the Android SDK and necessary tools. Once installed, create a new project. We'll see this more in the next video where I'll show you. For beginners, the empty activity template is ideal as it gives a blank screen to build upon. When creating the project, select Kotlin as your programming language. Kotlin is concise, modern, and integrates fully with existing Android APIs. With this setup, you are ready to start building the user interface and implementing the app's logic. In Android, the main building block of an app is an activity, which represents a single screen. For our Notes app, the main screen shows the list of notes, and another screen is used for adding a new note. The user interface is defined using XML layouts, where you place elements like text fields for entering titles and descriptions, buttons, and recycler views. Recycler view is a widget used to display a large set of items efficiently, which is perfect for showing a dynamic list of notes. To move between screens, Android uses intents, which are messaging objects that request the system to start a new activity. When a user clicks the Add button, an intent starts the Add Note activity. To make the notes persistent even after closing the app, we use a database. Android comes with SQLite, which we will be using in this Android deployment video. A lightweight relational database engine that is embedded in the device. Writing raw SQL in Android can be tedious, so Google provides the Room library, which is a wrapper around SQLite that simplifies database operations. With Room, you define entities like tables and database objects in Kotlin, and Room handles SQL generation under the hood. In our app, we store each note's title and description. Importantly, the database file is created automatically the first time you insert a note, so there's no need to create it manually. This may take some time. This ensures data persistence across app restarts. Now here's how the app works step by step. First, the user taps the Add Note button on the main screen. This triggers an intent to open the Add Note screen. The user can then enter a title and description for their note. Once they click the Save button, the app uses the Room database to store the note. After saving, the app updates the main screen to display the new note in a recycler view, which shows all saved ones. This workflow demonstrates core Android concepts, screen navigation, user input handling, database operations, and list display. To summarize, Android Studio is a powerful tool that makes it easier to create apps. Understanding activities and layouts is crucial for structuring screens. Recycler View is efficient for displaying dynamic content, and Room makes database handling simpler. Building a simple Notes app is an excellent project for beginners because it combines multiple fundamental concepts: user interface design, navigation, data persistence, and list handling. That concludes the video. Thank you for watching. You can move on to the next one where I'll show you how to create the app. Also, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.